I think right now there is consensus that Kudatagure will likely take over if he survives attempts on his life. He is the only person I see who can compete against Chamisa and win, and he is the only one who has stepped up to the plate. Janochenga, who Janochenga on the other hand, hasn't openly shown a desire to lead. I'm not sure he is what it takes to beat Tagure's momentum. Zvinopinda mashukubira tovapangwa ino namatinyararisa zvamuri kuona achiti president if president Mnangagwa goes who fills the gap achiuya achitaura ijebo nokwata kavipi kosanochwenga chinhu chauya panguva inoi chichishorwa nevanhu kuti vasubscribe like on the bell icon andirambira chiti Kuda is attractive because he's young, business minded, and he has a proven track record of solving national problems by eliminating fuel queues, strengthening ZANU-PF financially, and funding command agriculture. Another issue many overlook is Kuda has powerful friends as a member of the World Economic Forum. This is why he was the only Zimbabwean who could get fuel from the biggest commodity brokers in the world, Glencore and Trafigura. While the country was under sanctions designed to deprive the country of fuel controlled by the US. It's obvious that Swiss and British controlled Glencore and Trafigura could not have given Tagore fuel to give a sanctioned country without a license from the US Treasury and British government. The man clearly was Western support, and with partners in the WEF, he can easily acquire capital to inject into our economy to revive our infrastructure through his companies in a few years, as he did with fuel. If you ask me, sanctions on him are just a veil to hide his real allies. Hence, when we removed the executive order sanctions, he wasn't interested in the ZASM fighting the sanctions on him and the president. It's also why the West has no problem with CHAMISA being out of Zimbabwean politics, because they have a man inside ZANU-PF. Over the next weeks, I will write more on this subject and how Kuda controlling Zimbabwe's title deeds through his company that is registering title deeds, and his banks will get a capital to grow Zimbabwe, but it will change who controls Zimbabwean land in future. Noma developments ari kuda kwapana vana matinyarare potudza mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi vachava chielevheta Tagore zvinhu zvinozikanwa kunzi chinhu ichi aiwa chakatengawa kudhara. Panguva inoi vakomana vana matinyarare varinyasosuspektwa kunzi varinyasokutumwa nevakomana Zvigananda kuti vauya vachitaura mashoko avari kutaura zvoita sekunge their own personal views, but vari kungoya vachitaura zvichada kuitwa neZvigananda in the future, zvoita izvo zvataurwa nevanhu vari kuopoza. Muna comment section medu dzafungura imwe moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.